Got a little job in today I want to show you. Have a look at this. So it's a brand new VW transporter, and it's had a splitter put on, front splitter, front skirt, whatever you want to call it, and this was put on at the dealer, and they've put it on with some glue, and I'll show you what they've done. They've done this, look. This was done at a dealer, this. Made a nice little chain out of some cable ties. That side as well, look. To somehow try and hold this up. I don't know what they were thinking that was going to do. But anyway, the sealer, whatever they've put on it to hold this on, has come away, and it's hanging down, and he's been driving around with it hanging down for a while. So he's brought it in for a professional small body shop to put it right. Anyway, I've made this bracket here, I'm going to fasten this underneath, and it's going to hold it up, and I'm going to seal it on with some decent quality Sikaflex. Well, after making a bracket using a tube of Sikaflex and a couple of wood screws, I've now got that successfully fastened back on. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good. I've just cut them plastic cable tie chains that the dealer made. As I say, I don't really know what they were doing. There's my wood screws, look. I've got one there. And one there. I've just sat down in this bloody puddle and got a wet ass. Anyway, back to the job in hand. It's another job sorted out. Nice little Monday morning repair, if you like getting covered in Sikaflex. So next job is I'm off to get a Land Rover Discovery. I'm off to pick up a Land Rover Discovery, and that is a full side repair. So if you're interested in seeing that job, look out for that next video. While we're waiting for the customer to come pick this job up though, shall we go and have a look in the back room and see what's going on in there? Let's have a look. So it's a bit quieter in here. Shut the door. So I've been getting on with, well, I pulled this engine out for the camper van, and I'm going to be doing a bit more to that. I have got I've gone and got the flywheel for it. So needed a new flywheel because the starter motor had caused a bit of damage. It had like overridden the teeth on there, and it had slightly rounded them off, but it rounded them off enough so that every time it engaged, it was just smashing starter motors. So yeah, so I've got a new flywheel, and I'll soon be able to get on with the conversion. So I'm just waiting for the weather to get a bit better, and I'll start getting on with that the Golf GTI conversion on the T25. So that's it's been going on for a while now, and I really do need to get my finger out on it, I know, but I'm forever doing accident damage for all my customers. The TZR's getting worked in. I've got the tank down there. I got the filler work done on the tank the other day. So I'll bring another video on that soon anyway. I'll be getting that into primer and the fairings. The fairings, the top fairing that I repaired the other day, that's in the house, and so's the mudguard. So I put them bits in the house just to help the repairs go off. So I did the plastic repairs, and I put a 2K plastic glue on the back. So I'll just put them in the house for the glue to go off a lot better, to be honest, get it to go off really hard. GSXR 750, I'll be bringing a video on that soon. So I've took the back end off it there, you can see. I'm going to bang that back end on eBay. I'm going to get some fairings ordered for it, and start getting it ready for the paint. I'm going to do a wicked paint job on this bike. I was speaking to the lad that's going to be riding it for me, and he's like, I've shown him the pictures, and he's chuffed a bit to the colours I'm going to be doing it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that all painted up. Few bits down there. The Montesa, I know I need to drag that out and see what's wrong with it. I've got a new spark plug for it on the shelf, so new spark plug for it there. I need to get that changed and give it a good service. That's my 125 DX RD125 twin DX, and I need to get on with that as well. I need to get on with all sorts, don't I, really? Messing on with this, just messing on with my stick. I've just got my new DJI Osmo stick or whatever it's called back. I'm using it on my phone, trying to learn how to use it just to do a bit of videoing with, to get a bit of better video footage. So that's my missus' e-bike on the back there, and mine's under blanket, keeping warm, and the 253MA is under that cover there. I should do a bit of a workshop video, shouldn't I, really? You should have seen the state of this place last year and the year before, so it was horrendous. This building wasn't like this at all, and it was absolutely pissing in. It was knackered, rotten, old wooden building, and I got cracked on, and I had to build this whole workshop. I took about a month, 5 weeks off, and I got on with this second bit. This is the back room in here. So all this back room in here, all this got built at the beginning of last year, and it was just basically absolutely knackered. The roof was pissing in. It was horrendous. So I've got it up, insulated the roof. It's all double skinned, this back room. Tin outside the building, it's all metal, proper metal construction, and inside I've lined it all out. As you can see, I've not even finished painting it yet, so I need to get it all painted, and get some stuff on the walls. Yeah, a bit like a kind of workshop man cave thing. Just did a couple of things, like get some couple of chargers up on the wall there, 3 of the chargers up on the wall, just so that they're not floating around on the top, like these ones are here, and plugs there. And I put a plug behind the back of the toolbox, and the toolbox has some plugs in it as well. But yeah. So this corner here, in here, is actually, there's going to be a toilet in there. So that is actually a door, and I'm going to make some room and put a toilet in that corner when I get round to it. So that's a quick Monday video. If you've enjoyed listening to me rant on, and that little repair I've done there on the van, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you'll see lots more videos. Anyway, that's me out. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll see you in another video.